Hi friends, this is Vetrivel. This tutorial I will teach. Previous tutorial we will saw once I return any text here and click clear, it will clear the text box and focus the cursor. But the thing is, I try to run the project. By default, it will select a clear button only. I need to focus the cursor in a text box. That is the thing. Previous tutorial I promised that I will do this video section, this video. Now I will teach how to set the cursor in. By default it will focus in text box 1. So just you have to me dot active control equal to text box 1. That's it. So now you can run the project. So the cursor will by default is focusing, but still the tab index is 2. This is tab index 0, so the cursor will focus this button only, but we rewriting the active control is text box 1. That's why the cursor is focusing here. So run the project here, put the tab, so it will focusing by default is cursor tab index 0 and tab index 1 and tab index 2. So using the press tab button in your keyboard, based on the tab index it will selecting the controls one by one. We return this kind of this codes in this line, it will the changing the nature of the tab index. Okay guys, we this tutorial, this video section we will teach how to declare the variables. So what is mean variable? Variable can declare using the dim keyword. Before that dim keyword. So now I will do one thing. This is text box 1, you already know that. So this is text box 1, you can see the name of the text box 1 and copy. You have to press control, hold the control button and track the text box 1, so you can create a one more text box same nature of the text box. You can copy it, or else you have to put the control C and control V, you can create the buttons. So control C and control V, so create the buttons. Okay guys, now this is text box 1, text box 2 and text box 3. Now I need to do one thing. So this is click it button, so I don't need this button right now, so just press delete and deleted this button. So this is clear button. Now I need to change the button name. Button text should be is calculate. Just calc. I'm putting the name for that. So once I have two text boxes, three text boxes. Once I click the calculate button, so text box 1 value and text box 2 value, I sum the two values and stored into text box 3. This is my goal right now, destination right now. So I need to click the calculate button here. So here I am changing the natures. So just clear those things. Now declare two variables, dim a as integer, comma b as integer, and answer ans as integer. So I declare three variables for here. Why is showing this kind of colors? Green colors means it's a kind of warning. So because we declare the local variables but we didn't use anywhere this variable, this is here showing. So Now I need to pass the values for that. So a equal to 10 and b equal to 20 and ans answer equal to a plus b. Now save the button and click run the project. So I didn't write anything here, so I click, so it will be calculating because it didn't show anything here. So you want to see the result, so you have to put the debug mode section. So I have to assign the debug mode here. Okay, so click here this tab, this kind of the lines you have to click, it will be debug mode. So once run the project, I click the calculate button, it will directly triggered to the coding part. Is a yellow line it will be showing. So you have to see the what the value is stored in a. Just you have to go your cursor and just hold the cursor in a, it will showing the value is a value is 0 and b value also 0 and a ns value is 0. That means by integer you have to declare the variable for integer. By default it will storing the value is 0. So now replacing the value, assigning the new value for this a, press F10. So first line will be running those line. So now you have to see anywhere in a, it is showing 10. So that means the 10 value is assigned to the a, and press F10 once again. So it will b also is 20 and press F10 once again. Answer now is 30. So this is a value. Okay, now I need to pass this value into text box 3. This is my destination right now. So here text box 3 dot text equal to ans. Now run the project and click calculate. So you will see the result here. So but my actual goal is I type any value in runtime. Any value means any number values, integer values in runtime, and click calculate. Based on the result, based on the input, I need to get the result here. That is our actual goal. Okay, now I am already assigned some values into this text box, this values a and b and all. So now I am replacing the values here. So just text box 1 dot text, here text box 2 dot text. So text box 1 value is stored into a and text box 2 value is stored into b. The answer should be stored into ans. After I assigning, the answer should be into text box 3. So save and click run. 10 5 and click calculate. So 15 26 calculate 31. So you can assign any values in runtime and click calculate, it will be calculating the values. But in case you have to put any decimal values, it will showing the, it will won't affect, it will only getting the full digit number, like that means integer value only it will getting. So 27, so integer value. So because you are declared here, because you have declared already is a integer value. That means so it will only accepted the full digit value. So I am changing here integer to double, integer to double here, D O B sorry D O double. Same wise I am changing the all the values to double here. Now I am save the record and run the project. Now I am putting the values 10.5 and 5 and click calculate. So that means 15.5. We will get the result here. So I think you can getting those details in clearly. So I need to change the double value into now string. Just I'm changing the values to string here. So viewing purpose I need to little bit bigger. So I'm changing the values to string here. So everything is string. Now save and run the project. Here I am type 10 plus 5. Now it will show 105. Means this is 10 is a string, this is 5 is a string, it's not a value. Now here click, so it will showing the values because this is a string. So based on your variable data type, based on your variable data type you can store in passed in the value. One more thing, here I am declare, I'm changing double here. Now I am save the record and store here 10, 15, 115. It's showing the 115 because double also it will converted into double string, but so it will showing the error because double value is now is a string, this is also string. So the thing is you have to declare a string value, string variable, so then only you have to pass the string to assign the string value only, because this answer also string, then you can easily assign the value. So both character, both type, both side have the string, then you can apply the string. Both side have a double, you can apply the double. Okay guys, we will meet on next best tutorial, best concept. See you later, bye.